Hello my friend, happy to see you here. Welcome back to my channel Higher Mathematics. Today we have a very interesting Olympiad question. We have exponential equation 2 to the power x plus 3 equal to 3 to the power x plus 2, and we need to find our x. If you have your solution, your answer, you can also write your solution down into the comment section, and we will check our answers here in just a few minutes, so just trust me, it will be really interesting. So let's start, let's solve it. So we have right here our solution to this question. First of all, I'm going to mention one really important moment, because in terms of math, in terms of algebra, there's like a lot of interest, and there are a lot of interesting properties, but the best one is the next one. So we have a to the power m plus n. Whenever we have this type of expression, a to the power m plus n, we can easily write it as a to the power m times a to the power n. This is extremely important property for us, because right now we're gonna apply this property to our question, because we have absolutely the same cases on the left and on the right side. As a result, what do we have? 2 to the power x plus 3, we're gonna write as 2 to the power x times 2 to the power 3, really great, equal to, and on the right side we will have 3 to the power x times 3 square. Okay, we're gonna split it like that. Okay, according to this property we have the next expression. Okay, let's go to the next step. We know that 2 cubed equal to 8, we know about it, we know that 3 square equal to 9, but right now I'm going to show you, first of all, we need to write our variables on the left side and our constant on the right side. We prefer this like expression when we have variables on the left side, constant on the right side. And for this, let's divide both sides. Okay, so let's divide both sides by 3 to the x. First of all, let's divide both sides by 3 to the x. As a result, what do we have? 2 to the power x times 2 to the power 3, we're gonna divide by 3 to the x. Okay, 3 to the x, we're gonna divide it, and right side we're gonna divide by 3 to the x as well. So 3 to the x times 3 square, and we're gonna divide it by 3 to the x. Why I divided by 3 to the x? Because on the right side we can easily cancel it, and we will have it on the left side. We really need it, because as I told before, we're gonna group our variables on the left side and our constant on the right side. As a result, we have 2 to the x times 2 to the power 3, but right now I'm going to show you another really important move. We're going to divide both sides by 2 to the power 3. Okay, first of all we divide by 3 to the x, and right now we're going to divide both sides by 2 to the power 3. So as a result, we have 2 to the x times 2 to the power 3. As I told before, we're going to divide it by 2 to the power 3, so we still have 3 to the x on the left side, and we're going to divide it by 2 to the power 3, yeah, and equal to, we don't have this 3 to the x anymore, so we have 3 square divided by 2 cube. And right now, as I told before, we're gonna cancel this 2 to the power 3, so that's why I divided both sides by 3 to the x. I'm gonna cancel it from the right side. We have it in our denominator, and it's really great because we have our variables together, yeah. And right now we're gonna divide it by 2 to the power 3. We're gonna cancel it from the left side, and we have our constant on the right side. So our final expression, so we have 2 to the power x divided by 3 to the power x equal to 3 square over 2 to the power 3. So I really hope you get this point. You understand how can we manage to solve this question like that. Right now, really interesting, another really interesting property. So whenever we have a to the power x divided by b to the power x, whenever we have different bases but same power, we can easily write it in one parenthesis. So we can easily write it as a over b raised to the power x. So as a result, on the left side we can easily write it as 2/3 to the power x, and on the right side we can easily write it as, okay, let's leave it like that, okay, or let's raise this. First of all, let's raise this. It's not that hard. We have 3 square equal to 9 and 2 cube equal to 8. So we have 2/3 to the power x equal to 9 over 8. Right now, a really tricky approach, because we're gonna multiply, we're gonna apply both sides, we're gonna log both sides, we're gonna apply log on both sides. Let's do this right now. So we have log 2/3, and right here we have x equal to log, right here, 9 over 8. So 9 over 8. To be honest, we don't need to raise this to the power 2 and to the power 3, but okay, let's leave it like that. Let's solve it like that. We have 9 over 8, doesn't matter. Okay, and right now this x will come down right here because of log property. Whenever we have, for example, natural log of a, and right here we have b, we can easily write this b in front of this natural log a. So we have b times natural log a. And right now, as a result, what do we have? X times log 2/3 equal to log 9 over 8. Really great. So what we're gonna do next? First of all, let's divide both sides by this log 2/3, because when we divide it, we will have only our x. Okay. So we have log. We're gonna divide it by log 2/3. Really great. As a result, what do we have? We have x only in our left side, and on the right side, or let's write it as a full expression. Maybe someone don't understand it. So 2/3, we're gonna divide by log 2/3. Yeah, 2/3, and equal to log 9/8. 9/8. We're gonna divide by log 2/3. From here we can easily cancel it, and as a result we have looks like our final answer to this question. So we have x is equal to log 9/8. But a lot of students forget about it. But when you know a little bit about log, so one really important property. So log, whenever we have log of x over y, we can easily change this subtraction by we can easily change the division by subtraction. So we have log x minus log y. Extremely important expression for us. It helps us a lot. And I want to say that a division we're gonna change by subtraction, but don't forget about that multiplication we're gonna change by addition. We don't have it exactly in our case, but maybe you know it. So addition we change by subtraction, multiplication we change by addition. In our case we have only division. So as a result we have log 9 minus log 8 and in our denominator we have log 2 minus log 3. And as a result, this is our answer. This is absolutely enough for you when you're, for example, like sitting in your exam, because you don't allow to use a calculator. But maybe you you want to see this approximately value. I find it for you. So x approximately equal to minus 0.29, and it looks like we have a negative answer because of this denominator, I guess. Yeah, we have log 2 minus log 3, and it looks like this expression is negative in our denominator. This one is positive, and as a result we have a negative answer. Yeah, but everything is great. This is our answer to our question. You can easily see this answer right here, and it looks like a correct answer to our question is 0 minus 0.29. So you can easily plug in this expression on your calculator. What we had in the beginning, 2 to the power x plus 3 equal to 3 to the power x plus 2x plus 2. And of course, when we plug in it real quick, we have 2 to the power minus 0.29 equal to 3 to the power, we have it here plus 3, plus 3, don't forget about it, 3 to the power minus 0.29 plus minus 0.29 plus 2, and it looks like we will have, I don't want to raise this, I just want to type it for you. Maybe you want to check it real quick, maybe you want to check this root. So what we have as a result, 2 to the power, we have right here, looks like 2.71, yeah, 2.71, and on the right side we have 3 to the power 1.71, I guess. Yeah, we have 1.71, I guess, something like that. Yeah, so you can easily check it, you can easily rate this, and you can easily see this this is same or not the same. It's also really great. So this is my solution to this question. This is approximately answer to this question. I really hope you understand it. I really hope you enjoy it. I really hope you learn something new. So right now we can see a graph. You can see this point of intersection. You can see this like from another option, from another angle, from geometric perspective. You can see this point of intersection, which is extremely important, I guess, when you see this from geometric perspective, because there are a lot of graphs, there are a lot of functions where you can see at this point of intersection, and it helps you a lot in terms of like your calculations. You can easily fill a root. Maybe right here you can easily it's not that easy because we have 2 to the power x plus 3. These are exponential function, but a lot of students can easily fill this root, negative, positive. Like this is a extremely great ability for you. Yeah. So thank you for your time. You can also write your response down into the comment section. Write your notes down into the comment section. It's really interesting to read about it. Also, thank you for watching these videos. I really appreciate it. Write of course your response. What do you think about this question? What do you think about these challenges? I try my best to making you interesting different content every day. It's extremely important. It's extremely important for me, and I really hope you learn something new. You know a little bit about math, you learn a little bit new information in terms of math. And I don't know how many percentage of teachers, students. I think that I really appreciate when teachers watch my videos and write they respond, when students watch my channel and of course learn something new, because maybe there are a lot of questions that are not like easy one, but they learn a little bit, and it really inspires me a lot to make new content every day. And it's really great to see you respond down into the comment section. So thank you for your time. Wish you all the best in your life. Take care of yourself. Write your notes. Write what do you think about, what do you want to see on my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it when you leave your response. Wish you all the best in your life. Genuinely wish you all the best in your life. Take care of yourself. Have a great day. Love math, and see you in the next videos. Have a great day.